if you could transform a sunset photo into a symphony, or turn a 5-second video clip into the perfect soundtrack instantly with zero copyright worries? This isn't the future, it's happening right now. Today I'm revealing the AI tool that's eliminating the endless hunt for perfect music and revolutionizing content creation forever. Meet Tempalore, the world's first image-to-music and song generator powered by artificial intelligence. This revolutionary platform offers over 200,000 royalty-free music tracks specifically designed for content creators like you. Whether you're making YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or professional projects, Tempalore eliminates the endless search for the perfect soundtrack. By the end of this video, you'll discover how this tool can save you hours of work while boosting your content quality dramatically. Let me walk you through how to get started with Tempalore AI. I've included the link in the description below for easy access. If you're new to the platform, simply click on Start Free Now and sign in with your Google or Apple account. Once you're logged in, you can start exploring Tempalore's vast library and start creating amazing music. And with a paid subscription, you get 100% royalty-free with a lifetime license, so you'll never have to worry about copyright strikes or licensing headaches when using Tempalore's music in your content. Today I'm using the free version of Tempalore to show you its capabilities. While the paid version offers more generations and additional features, you can still get a great sense of what this tool can do. Let's start with Tempalore's AI music search, perfect for creators who need quick results. This feature lets you search through a vast library of over 200,000 tracks in seconds. Here's how it works. First, type any vibe, mood, event, genre, or concept into the search box. For example, let's try romantic sunset on the beach. You'll notice there's a generate toggle. When turned off, the AI will only display existing tracks. When turned on, it will create brand new music based on your description. Let's search for existing tracks first. Click the search button and watch as the AI scans its massive library. Look at all these results. You can filter them by mood, theme, genre, instrument, and even BPM. This saves creators an enormous amount of time finding the perfect track. Found something close but not quite right? Just click the similar icon next to any track and the AI will find all comparable options. Even better, you can generate similar tracks with AI by clicking Generate Similar Track. Choose how closely you want it to match. Loosely similar for creative variations or highly similar for something nearly identical, then hit Generate. Here's where things get really interesting. Tempalore allows you to generate music from a music reference. Simply upload a music clip by clicking the music icon, and the AI will generate two similar tracks. Let me demonstrate. This is my reference track. This is the first track generated by Tempalore. And this is the second one. Notice how they maintain the same vibe while being unique compositions? Best of all, they're completely copyright certified by ACR Cloud, so you can use them without worry. This is perfect if you found a song you love but can't use due to copyright restrictions. Tempalore will create something similar that's 100% safe to use. Next up, image to music. This feature is a game changer for Instagram and TikTok creators. Instead of pairing random music with your visuals, you can generate a soundtrack that perfectly complements your image. Just click the multimedia icon to upload your photo, then click Recommend Music. The AI will analyze the content, identify elements like color, composition, and mood, and find the ideal music to match your image while simultaneously generating new custom tracks. Let's upload this image and see how it goes. sounds incredible, doesn't it? For YouTubers and filmmakers, the video-to-music feature is revolutionary. Upload any video clip through the multimedia icon and click Recommend Music. Templr analyzes your footage, considering factors like movement, pacing, and visual energy, then creates music that perfectly matches the mood of your video. This eliminates the tedious process of testing multiple tracks to find the right fit, saving hours of production time and enhancing your content's emotional impact. For more control over your music, head to the Create tab. Templr's clean dashboard makes creating music incredibly simple. Just type what you want in the text field, like nostalgic boom-bap tribute to the golden era of rap, and the AI handles the rest. For something more hands-on, try the MIDI render feature to tap out a melody yourself. And when you want vocals, just choose between auto or custom with different voice styles available. When you're ready, hit the Create button and watch as Templr transforms your ideas into professional quality music. Best of all, everything is copyright certified by ACR Cloud, so you can use your creations anywhere without legal worries. Perfect for content creators who need reliable music fast. Let me play you some examples of AI-generated songs created with Templr.
Echoes call through realms unseen, hearts awake and drinks serene.
Isn't that impressive? A complete song generated by AI, ready for your content. Templr is truly transforming how creators approach music. It offers customizable, royalty-free music that syncs perfectly with your content, whether you're starting with an image, video, or just an idea. With its vast library, AI-driven generation capabilities, and advanced features, it saves countless hours while sparking creativity. Every generated track comes with an ACR Cloud certificate verifying its creation, ensuring you'll never face copyright issues. Whether you're a professional content creator or just someone who loves experimenting with music, Templr deserves a spot in your creative toolkit. I'd love to hear about your experience creating music with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to AI with TechSnap for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating!